Industrialization, we're talking about massive scale, high throughput manufacturing, getting to a point like many other industries have already proven where we have to industrialize our processes, our systems, and ultimately the facility. That's how we're going to scale these and reach hundreds of thousands of patients, because without the right automation, industrialization is not really possible. Why does Constellation and G-Rex make so much sense together? Our vision has always been having this simple static vessel that generates the material in a repeatable way and putting it into these systems that integrate all the different unit operations. We're really excited for what Cellular Origins is doing and what the Constellation promise is. And we're really excited with the fact that several commercial and soon to be commercial developers are actually working in conjunction with Cellular Origins to implement this system in the coming years. The future is very exciting. We've seen stark, durable responses in the small number of approved drugs for T cells, CAR T, for example, but we continue to see the traditional standard of care with surgery, with chemo, with radiation. The promise of cell therapy is we could move this to frontline treatment. We can have much better targeted drugs and treatments that don't have the negative effects on patient. And ultimately, the break between here beyond the targeting of the therapy is, can we manufacture these at scale? Can we manufacture these at a cost that makes sense for the healthcare systems around the globe? That is exactly what these partnerships, the G-Rex and the Constellation system, aim to do. We're going to be able to drive the cost of goods down as these become frontline treatments, and we're putting 100,000 patient manufacturing runs through these systems on a yearly basis.